right. They're gonna pull from the back. All right. Step number 2. Take from the back.
You're gonna be hitting it from the back.
Yeah.
I literally wore waterproof boots to do this exact thing.
But nobody has to step in it.
That's fine.
Hell yeah.
Take your exit through the mud.
Twice, we'll be all right.
All right, let's take a step back, Tyler.
I'm fairly confident where I am. I say that and I get fucked up.
I meant more for safety reasons.
You're right, you're right.
There you go.
Back it up. Oh, back it up. Oh, back.
Nice. There we go. Nice.
Yeah, look at that mud.
Yeah,
Dude,
she's all muddied up. Whittle Willie got a whittle stuck, guys.
Whittle
But
Willie,
it's all
you
good.
watch.
It's all good. Holy crap.
You gonna try it?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Alright. I'll throw it for you.